what I'm eating tonight and drinking tonight, like dinner, some Coke that's almost done, some hot chocolate that is burning my mouth really badly. I have the pizza, and then water that's holding you up, and then some spicy chicken flavor, the lowest level of spice. But I have the biggest level of spice in there, so I'm excited to try that. But I can actually eat this, like, and it tastes so good. Coke refill and the spicy chip. I've been eating so much spicy stuff. I'm proud of myself. So cute. Finished the ramen. There's a lot of screaming because people in this plays Fortnite.